Even mechanism. Elimination reactions. Definition: a reaction that involves the removal of two atoms or groups from a molecule is called elimination reaction. Here in this definition, removal of two atoms or groups is taking place. This reaction is called elimination reaction. This usually involves the formation of pi bond. Single bond converts into pi bond. For example, C single bond C. Here there is one hydrogen and here there is one halogen. The hydrogen is beta hydrogen and this molecule is alkyl halide. This is our substrate molecule. It is reacting with the base. In this reaction, the electrons present in this bond move to halogen and it eliminates in the form of X minus. The base which is having lone pair will donate its lone pair to beta hydrogen and these sigma electrons move here, resulting in the formation of alkene, and the base converts into BH. Here this is substrate molecule and this is the alkene which is formed and this is the base. Now this elimination reaction may occur through even mechanism, E2 mechanism or E1CB mechanism. These are the three mechanisms. In this video we will learn about even mechanism. Let's learn how this even mechanism takes place. Overall process. This is already written in the previous page. Now this is substrate, base, and here we are getting the alkene. This is the overall process. Now this overall process will take place through this mechanism. This mechanism involves two steps. Step 1, Step 2. Step 1 is unimolecular ionization to form carbocation. Let us see how this occurs. The electrons will move on to halogen and it gets eliminated in the form of X minus. Because electrons are removed, the carbon will get positive charged. Therefore, we are getting a carbocation. So in the first step, we are getting carbocation. This is the slow step and it is the rate determining step. Now second step. Removal of beta hydrogen by base. The base is having one lone pair. It will donate its electrons to the beta hydrogen and the hydrogen will get attached to the base and goes out in the form of BH, and the corresponding alkene is formed. Therefore, alkene is formed here. The electrons which are present here will move and the corresponding alkene is formed. So this is the mechanism, two-step mechanism. Step 1, Step 2. Halogen is removed in the form of halide ion. Carbocation is formed. The beta hydrogen is removed in the form of BH and the electrons will move here, sigma electrons, and alkene is formed. We have to learn the characteristics of even mechanism. Characteristics of even mechanism. First point, number of steps is equal to 2. 2 steps are there. This is favored by weak bases. like alcohol, water, etc. Third point, the intermediate formed is carbocation. Carbocation intermediate is formed. The consequence of the formation of carbocation is there may be three consequences. The first one is there is a possibility of rearrangements. Rearrangements may take place. And the second consequence is SN1 reaction may also occur along with this even mechanism. SN1 reaction may also take place. And the third consequence is order of reactivity is decided by carbocation stability. Tertiary carbocation is more stable, therefore tertiary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary than primary. So order of reactivity goes on like this. These are the three consequences of the intermediate formed, that is carbocation. Rearrangements may take place, SN1 reaction, order of reactivity. Now effect of leaving group. Iodide is a very good leaving group, therefore alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride. Rate determining step contains one molecule, therefore it is a unimolecular reaction. That implies if we observe in the mechanism, here the slow step is the rate determining step, and in this step there is only one molecule participating. Therefore this is an example of unimolecular mechanism. Regarding to kinetics, rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide only, alkyl halide power 1. Therefore rate of reaction is equal to some rate constant K into Rx concentration power 1. Therefore order of reaction is equal to 1, first order reaction. First order reaction. Now Sage's rule is generally preferred. That implies whenever there is a possibility of formation of more substituted alkene, it is formed as major product. That implies Sage's rule is followed. So alkene with more substitution is formed as major product. It is the Sage's rule. So this is the mechanism, and carbocation intermediate is formed, base is reacting and alkane is formed. Based on the mechanism we are writing characteristics. There are two steps. This is favored by weak bases. Intermediate formed is carbocation, therefore very important, rearrangements may take place. SN1 reaction may go along with this even reaction. Order of reactivity, tertiary alkyl halide more reactive than secondary, more reactive than primary. Effect of leaving group, iodide is good leaving group. First example, even elimination in bromocyclohexane in methanol. Bromocyclohexane is made to react with methanol. The bromocyclohexane is like this, bromocyclohexane, and it is made to react with methyl alcohol, which is a solvent, and we are asked to write the elimination product. In the first step, the bromine is eliminated by taking the electrons, therefore carbocation is formed, Br minus is removed, and now the methyl alcohol, which is a solvent, will act as a weak base. It is having lone pair of electrons, and here there are beta hydrogens, and here also there are beta hydrogens, Both these beta hydrogens are equivalent. Therefore, the methyl alcohol can donate its lone pair to any of the hydrogen. Let us suppose it is donating like this, and CH3OH2 plus is formed, and this sigma electrons will move here, and therefore a pi bond is formed. This is our product, and the name of the product is cyclohexene. This is our reaction. Second example, write the elimination products. The substrate molecule given is like this, and the solvent is ethyl alcohol. We have to write the product. Now let us start the process. In the first step, the bromine is eliminated by taking the electrons in the form of Br minus. So Br minus halide ion is removed, and now our remaining molecule is CH3, CH3 with positive charge on carbon. Carbocation, this is secondary carbocation. See here, this is secondary carbocation. Now, the secondary carbocation will undergo rearrangement. The hydrogen which is present in the beside carbon will get connected to the positive charge. It is coming in the form of hydride ion. That is, hydrogen is coming along with electrons. This is 1,2 hydride shift. 1,2 hydride shift. And the resulting molecule is CH3, CH3, single bond, CH3, and here we are getting positive charge. This is a tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation. Carefully observe here. By undergoing 1,2 hydride shift, tertiary carbocation is formed, which is more stable. Now this reacts with the base ethyl alcohol, which is a solvent. Here the lone pair of electrons may be given to this hydrogen, or they may be given to this hydrogen. Both of them are beta hydrogens. There are two chances. If the lone pair of electrons are given to the first set of hydrogen, then we will get the product CH2 double bond CH3, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. It may also be donated to the next another beta hydrogens. Here the option is CH3, single bond CH3, double bond CH2, CH single bond CH3. So this is the product form. Now if you observe here, this is the Sagejeff product because it is more substituted alkene. Sagejeff product, more substituted alkene, it is the major one, Sagejeff product. Now here it is Hoffman product. This forms as minor product. So this is the reaction, these are the products. Just again once observe here, 1,2 hydride shift is taking place to form more stable carbocation. The beta hydrogens may be removed in two chances. Sagejeff product